Thank you and welcome back. We were on a short break, and I wish to allow Mr. Nelson to continue with what he was saying about the Mount Kenya politics.
Mount Kenya politics. Size as we speak, all Kalau on Thursday, there will be a total voting. Na my brother, ukitaka kujua hao watu bado wako na William Samoei Ruto kitu kimoja. Kuna All Kalau Stadium imeanzishwa pale. Kuna All Kalau new railway station imelaunchiwa pale. Utaona UDA will carry the day. What does that tell you? Today, okay, no one has the monopoly on who to realign with or on who not to realign with. Leo tumeona watu kutoka Kipsigis wameenda wa Munyoro residence. They are being branded like heroes. But the same Lima people waende watoke Nyeri, for example, ama watoke huko Embu, wakuje State House, they will be branded with several names yenye siwezitaki hata kutaja kwenye media. Bro, this country belongs to all of us. Na kitu yenye mimi naweza sema saa hizi, mimi napongeza Dr. Raymond Omolo.
PS.
And PS, that is a super PS from Homa Bay. Kwetu, mimi najua Raymond Omolo ana sport areas whereby unaweza kuwa unatumia vijana. For example, Homa Bay kwetu, Kabondo, Kasipul, uliona what happened during the by-election ya huyo kijana yake Omondo Were.
Boyd Were.
Yes, Boyd Were. Raymond Omolo after hiyo election alichukua hao vijana. Sasa hizi kila mtu ako kazi. I think that is the rivalry in between Raymond Omolo and the alternative whatever.
But I think he's also failed. We have a lot of issues of insecurity. We have goons, police are just watching. I have not heard
Let me tell you something, my brother.
Yes.
We are not new to this country. The same people that are making unnecessary noises across the corridors. Let Raymond Omolo unleash full force, like Michuki did. The same people that are condemning Raymond Omolo will be the very first people to say like, okay, state wanatumia nguvu nyingi, okay, sijui nini. Saizi as you speak, Raymond Omolo ni mtu, hata unaona, ni mtu mpole sana. I fail to understand why sometimes sisi Wajaluo, where did we go wrong? Nikiona Mr. Low ako kwa position fulani, mimi nampiga vita na ni kabila yangu. I have never seen Kalonzo Musyoka anapiga nani? Mutua. Na Mutua, Alfred Mutua ako kwa serikali. Sijaiona Edwin Sifuna anapiga Oparanya vita. Sijaiona Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta anapiga wakina Lee Kinyanjui vita. What is it that sisi kama jamii wa Jaluo hatuwezi pendana? Mtu akipata kelele. Mtu akipata kelele. Saizi as you speak, a very good friend of mine, Hon. Babu Owino, whom I really value and I really respect Babu. Babu ndio sasa alikuanga ni mtu mwenye naona yenyewe after baba ni baba. Lakini saizi as you speak, ameingia kwa politics.
My brother, all that glitters
ameingia kwa kwenye politics ya mimi ni Sifuna. Saizi Sifuna overshadow Babu. Saizi as we speak nilikuwa nimeona kitu hapo. Sioni hata Orengo akiwa hapo. Sioni hata nini. Only in that alternative opposition whatever. Mtu mwenye kwa at least na track record Babu Owino peke yake.
But the group of people that we call Linda Mwananchi, including Babu Owino, Edwin Sifuna, they're saying they carry the legacy of Raila Amolo Odinga. And that brings me to this question, Bwana Lame. You are a member of ODM.
Yes.
A member of Orange Democratic Movement.
Yeah.
To elections 2022, you are with Raila Amolo Odinga as a presidential candidate.
Now, in fact, for your information,
Yes.
yesterday night,
Yes.
I had a dream that Gachagua passed on, and
You had a
Baba was the person preparing the soup, and angels were busy showing Gachagua direction to hell.
So let me finish this.
Yes.
As a member of ODM, what has made you now today feel that Ruto is good for Kenya? Because by 2027, the greatest problem of Ruto in this country was the Orange Democratic Movement Party. Today, ODM is fully in government and they're working very closely with Dr. William Samoei Ruto. And in in fact, former chairperson of Orange Democratic Movement, FCPA, John Mbadi, is the cabinet secretary in charge of treasury in Ruto's government. What changed all of a sudden that ODM now feels that Ruto's government is good moving forward?
My brother, politics is about interest.
Sure.
And if at all you've ever read the book 14 Laws of Power, it tells you normalize working with your enemies. Bring your enemies closer and stir away your friends. Are we together till that point?
Sure.
Now, why do I like Ruto's government? One, from history, my third name automatically disqualifies me to benefit from this country's project. But Ruto,
What do you mean?
I'm a Luo.
So if you're a Luo, you
Now,
cannot
if I'm a
benefit
Luo,
from
I'm telling you the
government.
truth. Since independence,
Luos are part of
since
Kenya.
independence, we've not been benefiting from the current regime. I was born to realize that Kenyatta shot 700 people within 6 hours in Kisumu. Uhuru did the same. You remember Rivayala? You remember what Kibaki did when they robbed us our victory?
Namba also
In
died
fact, for
during the Gen Z demonstrations.
for your information, I saw somebody by the name Mbai. Mbai is one thug, is the current MP of a certain constituency from Ukambani area. He's saying that in 2027, he has to be an MP, do or die. He either goes to prison or he wins that election. We are urging the Ministry of Interior and IEBC, we need a credible, a verifiable, and accountable elections. Hatupendi ufala na ujinga kwa nchi hii. Kitu ingine, I've heard you asking this person about whether Ruto will win votes from Mount Kenya.
Not really Mount Kenya.
Yes.
The mathematics, the
Yeah,
formula.
going by the formula.
matrix,
I
yes.
want to tell you, my brother, Kenya is moving so close to 41 against 1. Why? Because of Rigathis mischief and greedy nature.
Are you pitting the Kikuyus against the rest of Kenyans?
Because of this shenanigans leader, Rigathi Gachagua, is branding Kikuyus as people that are self-centered. But most of my friends who are Kikuyus, I know them as hard workers. In fact, Kenya hii, kama unataka kumake deal na mtu ni Mkikuyu in terms of finance ama project, they are God sent. Ni watu watakupea kazi na utafanya na wao na project itaingiana. But now all of a sudden, the greedy nature. And I want to tell Rigathi Gachagua one thing. The reason why a dog dies while poor is because of its salivating nature. You know, Rigathi wants everything for himself. KEMSA, major government projects. In fact, for your information, Rigathi is one person that misled how landlords that he would not allow the construction of affordable houses. And he started getting some kind of parcel for himself. But again, thank God we have the best president, William Samoei Ruto. Said, you know what? Kenya, we cannot stay in slums forever. We must continue. We need affordable houses. Because let me tell you something, Omondi. Today maybe you've gotten a lunch, but we are having a lady in this town, hana nyumba, is a single mother. You know, si kupenda kwake, anauza mboga, and alipe rent, alipe school fee, alipe pesa za matibabu. Hiyo is a heavy burden.
Whose
Now
problem is this?
Huh?
Whose problem is this?
You know, let me tell you, you cannot, nature will always win over nature.
Sure.
Are we together? You cannot judge someone because of their calamities. Instead, I told you from the word go, when an enemy is down, don't go with a sword.
Sure.
Give them milk and butter.
So that they come up once
So they
again.
come up once again. Once again. Now, if this lady is getting maybe 200 shillings a day, she has to pay a rent of 4,000. She has to pay school fee. She has to buy food. She has to pay medical, whatever. You know, this lady is already burdened. And again,
I'm trying to get you very clearly.
Yes.
You're trying to bring a situation whereby
I'm
our people are really in their situations.
but the
There are a
person
lot
said
of
that-
problems,
Yeah.
and we are in a sovereign state. The body, rather the person who is in charge of ensuring people live in an environment that they feel better, is a government.
Yes.
Because it is government that will bring policies that will ensure that the people are living better in their country. So does it mean that you're supporting Ruto with your words, but your heart is not supporting Ruto?
No, there's a point you are not trying to absorb.
Make me
or-
understand.
I'm trying to say, when Ruto ascended into power, he found this shit going on. But
He found a rotten system.
yes, but Ruto is trying to clear the pipes. And he's trying to make sure that things work. Maybe it might not work today, but in the next 10 to 15 years, we will need William Samoei Ruto. And that is why, even though it is unconstitutional, but I would recommend Ruto for a third term. Do you know why? Majority of Kenyan presidents are
A
self-centered.
third term or a second term?
Third term.
It's not got second term. Or is assured.
This will be a landslide win. What do you expect?
What are you talking about?
41 against 1.
Yet we have Sisi Josepuna.
Who is Sifuna?
Sisi
Somebody
Josepuna.
that failed in
My
Kandui.
friend.
Somebody that failed in Kandui.
Eh.
Somebody that, you know, Sifuna was a beneficial of Baba's political design, regional balance and economic balance. Unaona? Aliona hapa tukishaweka wacha tulete waloya waone tuko na Sifuna benefit. My friend, we are no longer having Baba.
My friend, Sisi Josepuna, have you looked at rallies of Sisi Josepuna?
That he
Whoever
normally
believes Edwin Sifuna will win in this country should go back to the history.
What makes people
Edwin
win?
Sifuna ni kama, in fact, hata kupata, tuseme tu kupata tu hata 50,000 votes. Maybe Edwin Sifuna is going, 2027, Edwin Sifuna is going to realize ile number yenye Pastor Pius Muiro alipata.
Is there anybody who today can have a huge rally in the name of a political rally like the Linda Mwananchi and Sifuna led?
The Linda Mwananchi factor, bro, we are in this country.
Can I
We
ask
have
you
got the silent majority. Bro, they are the majority in this country.
Can I ask you something, my
Now,
brother?
silent majority, you will not see them ranting on social media, sijui kwa media stations. They will always be there. Lakini, bro, acha nikwambie this time round, the marginalized communities are going to vote massive and in totality.
Can I ask you
What
something?
gives you this confidence that they'll vote in totality?
What
Yet
gives
we have
me-
had a number of elections.
What gives me confidence? Confidence hivi saa hizi as we speak. Bro, wajua kitambo tulikuwa tunaambiwa Kibaki did this, Uhuru did this. Nowadays we can pass by. Na tunaona yenyewe ni hii ni project ya William Samoei Ruto. Na hii
Kenya
inaendelea.
Kenya is
na
under
hii na
innovation.
tuko na information zote mpaka kwa nini yetu. Kama hii delivering the plan iko hapa, a record of bold reforms, inclusive growth and shared prosperity.
This is delivering the plan.
Yes,
Olo.
kitambo tulikuanga nea ati
Nelson,
the
excuse me
majority.
a bit.
Just
Acha
allow me
kwanza,
finish,
acha kwanza.
then I will give it.